Nakakahiya naman yan.
Parang yan. Dapat na lang na pagkain natin.
So we have like tuna sandwich.
Tuna spread pa lang yan, friend.
Tuna spread, and we have Reno or the liver spread. And this tae gamay.
Damahak tayo. And durian.
Yeah.
Wanna have some?
And pineapple. Pine orange. It look like orange. It look like pineapple too. Yeah.
Cheers for the good future of our board exam.
Hi Ron.
Ano daw?
Hi Ron.
Ron, bakit Ron? Sino?
Ronald.
Ronald Ramos yun!
Hi, I'm sorry. Hi Raymond.
Sige, say something about Raymond.
Hi Raymond. Nice meeting you, ha? Ako friend.